G'day Australia, I'm Korum E. Today I'm at my Audiocom store in Balcatta with the Tesla Model X. And this video is what subs fit in a Tesla Model X. We're going to go through the MTX range of subwoofers and see which ones tuck neatly into this convenient little back section that we have here in the Model X. This is just standard in all of the vehicles. You pop it up here, you've got this huge piece of storage and you can fit yourself a great subwoofer in there, no problem at all. Get on over to our Instagram page where the full gallery of which subs fit in here will be listed with some links to the packs as well. And we'll throw up some slides here of what fits now in this bad boy. Number one, the self-powered 10-inch MTX woofer. This has a clever amplifier in the side and that can all tuck away neatly down into this little section with the wiring snuck away there, and your installer will put a nice protective grill across the top of this, and that way you can still load everything into here without a problem and without obstructing the woofer cone at all, so it can still perform correctly. Number two is the MTX RT12 in this sweet little box here. Now this is a box, not an MTX box, it's a box that we've got in stock at Audiocom stores. And it's got a little sneaky slot side port there, and it will drop into that section as well. There's a little bit of a bigger, deeper woofer, 12-inch, and you can still close down that cap and be completely hidden away and have maximum bass with a ported 12-inch enclosure tucked away in here. And you've still got massive storage room to keep all your charge adapters and spare cables, which is usually what you keep in this little space. Heaps of room there. The amplifier, there's heaps of amplifier combos we can do with this, and the amps are quite compact. They will tuck away into that little area with all the cables hidden away as well. Now this one is the dream, right? The RT10 X3DS. The RT10 X3DS is three 10-inch woofers. It's an amazing powerhouse of bass from MTX, and I'm not going to unpack this bad boy because it actually is going out to a customer any minute, but it will fit spectacularly in this cavity in the back of the Tesla Model X and absolutely shake the crap out of you. It's a pretty hard hitting beast, powered up with the 6500D MTX mono amplifier that comes with a remote bass controller. It's the perfect addition to the Tesla or any car really, but this thing fits perfectly in that cavity. You can close the lid back down and you have an invisible triple 10-inch woofer solution in your Model X. Absolutely unbelievable. It's just the very best solution for this car. Super crazy bass, get across it. This last little baby is just a really nice subtle upgrade. It's the IB800X under seat subwoofer, traditionally designed to go under a seat, but we wouldn't put it under the seat in the Teslas. We could perhaps the space up there because of all the electronics in the seat. However, it will fit nicely in this cavity as well. And the bass, because of the big wide open cabin, the bass still penetrates through into the cabin quite nicely, as it does with a lot of wagons. So this will tuck neatly into this space, and it's the best space saving woofer, right? So it's not as strong on the bass as some of the other ones, but I'm not even going to take it out of its carton either. You can see how it will fit very neatly right off to the side of that cavity, leaving you all of that space to use still. It has a grill built in. It also has an amplifier built in. So this is a self-powered subwoofer, and the grill means that it's already protected. You can load up all your bits and pieces in there, your spit, your shopping, your storage, whatever else you keep in that storage area, right on top of the woofer. It won't hurt it at all. So that is the nice mild space saver in contrast to the last one I showed you, which was the big ball tearing banger. So either way, we've got quite a few options at Audiocom stores. MTX make a massive and fantastic range of subwoofer upgrades. It's about the only thing missing in this amazing car. The audio system is pretty great, but the speakers in the doors are stretching a little for their bass response. If you've got one of these, you'll know that when you turn it up, that they're reaching a little for the bass. So what you can do is actually take some of the bass out of the door speakers so they're not working so hard. Let the subwoofer do all the grunt work so the right speakers are making the right noise, and that's what's going to really haul ass in your audio system, so the audio system keeps up with the car itself. Thanks for watching. Make sure you get across our socials and check out some more of these pictures. Check out the website audiocom.net.au. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for stopping by as always, and I will see you again soon.